Alrighty, YouTubers, happy Sunday to all. It is the first of the month, July the 1st. Oh boy, we have another Amazon Prime unboxing, which is a paid-for video from FameBit, powered by YouTube. And this is coming from my good friends over at, oh boy, High Road. Check them out. The link's going to be down below. Oh jeez. Almost lost you guys. There we go. And take advantage of the Amazon Prime fast shipping. Get it in no time. And we have today offer. Oh boy. Here we go. One more cut. One more cut. Cut it out. There we go. And now we have here High Road. Hit the high roads. And you can't forget this, the SnackStash seat cooler. Put your goodies in, other goodies besides snacks, some beers, some vodka, some tequila, some medical stuff. Get your edibles in. There we go. This is going to be definitely come in handy. Sandwiches on the road if you're a trucker. This would be a good thing to have. Maybe for camping. Kind of like a little strap. Right there. You tie it on your back seat. This is nice. Kind of like a mini school bag. Extra drinks, your protein shake. So many other things you can use this for too. Let's take a look at the depths inside. Oh boy. Put you down. Here we go. But hope everyone had a good weekend. Everybody is safe. We just got the heat wave passing on through. Oh, that's nice. Got the thermal inside. Keep it cool. Your sandwiches, your Kit Kats, your chocolate candies. Really nice. Like I said, all you gotta do is just hang it up to the car, drop it down, and it's easy to carry. Take it with you to the beach day. Other good things. And we got it inside there. Another pocket. But this is nice, so definitely check them out, YouTubers. High Road. Their website also will be down below, so if you guys want to take a look at that, check that out also. And Amazon link for us Prime members. I'll get this in no time. But this is really cool. Definitely, since summer is here now, all you campers going out on the road, and like I said, many other good things. You can use it for hiking, biking, and road. Look at that. It's deep. You can fit a lot of sandwiches and other stuff. I definitely got some use for this now. I know what I can use it for. Just can't say it on YouTube. So really cool. Gihosoft. It is deep, nicely made quality. Like I said, the drinks right there, the beers, the fists of tequila, and all that good stuff for your summer trip on the road. Hit the highway. So really cool. So thank you guys. High Road. Just got nothing to fill it up yet. I haven't gone shopping this week, so definitely, who knows, might make the use out of it one of these days. But really cool. Alright, YouTubers, you guys be safe. Have a good weekend. And hopefully see you guys back this week. It's a new month, so you never know what's going to come in. And stay tuned. Contests will be coming up soon. Probably towards the middle of the week. Or middle of the month. So around the 15th. There'll be some contests for you guys. Some giveaways. But definitely check them out. High Road. Amazon Prime. Alright, you know the time. Be safe. See ya.